What makes the search for Mr. Asia Pacific different from all other male personality pageants? Repeat, what makes the search for Mr. Asia Pacific different from all other male personality pageants?
Before I answer that question, I would like to share a little short story. That there was this little boy who had dreamed to stand up in a huge stage where there is a spotlight, sashes, titles, and crowd. And that little boy who had dreamed is me, who is standing next to each and every one. And I think the search for Mr. Asia Pacific Philippines is that he has the trait of being passionate, being determined, and it has the uniqueness. I am here being the young gentleman, the youngest among the candidates, having uniqueness, confidence, and intelligence within myself. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Pangasinan. And of course, the last but not the least, who will be now answering